I'm going to show you how to make a fire roasted tomato salsa. Okay, for our salsa recipe today, there's not a whole lot in the way of ingredients. We've got a dozen, these are actually kind of small tomatoes. You might want to go with a few more if they're smaller or a few less if they're bigger, but right around a dozen medium to small, medium-sized tomatoes. I've got a half a bunch of cilantro back here, and that's the bunch you buy at the grocery store. I just took half of it out, and that's what's going to go in there. I've also got one large yellow onion. If you get, obviously we're going to go with a size thing here. If you get smaller onions than this, you know, cut down on it. Basically what it comes down to is you're going to want about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of onion when you're done. 3 jalapenos or more if you like it hotter. You could also sub those out for serranos or anything else. You could also do a combination, you know, jalapenos and serranos, because they do have different flavors. We've got 5 cloves of garlic over here, the fresh stuff. I've also got some salt, which we're going to need for it. I have cumin here. I've got about 2 ounces of cumin. This is just the dried powdered cumin. And I've also got 1 ounce of, this is actually a dried ancho chili powder, but you could use another kind of dried pepper. Basically what I'm going for here is just the dried chilies to add a little more heat to it. If you only had access to, or if you didn't have access to dried chili powder, I would just do maybe a teaspoon of just regular chili powder and then bump it up with an extra pepper. But I'm trying to get some flavor out of this too. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started making our recipe after I show you what all you're going to need to make it.